Morning, everybody. This is Brad Westner, and this is your long-awaited study guide. So here we go. You're going to want to know what verbal and nonverbal communication are, examples of each. You're going to know what constitutes noise in the communication cycle. You're going to need to know how to manage organizational communication. In particular, I want you to focus on how managers share information, how we use and disseminate information throughout the organization. Know the definitions of downward, upward, and horizontal communication. What is the purpose of written communication? How do we define what a knowledge worker is? Okay. Please be able to describe how unions are used and how they're sort of constituted and used. What do the terms job evaluation, job analysis, and job specialization mean, and no examples? Various types of validity. What is job rotation, job enrichment, job enlargement? Examples of each. What's the job characteristics approach as outlined in the book? What are the various types of organizational change? What's the Lewin model of organizational change? What's the comprehensive approach to organizational change? What does process re-engineering look like? What's innovation and innovation process? What are the various employment laws? There's a whole bunch of them, and so I need you to know what they are and what they do. Okay. How is the grapevine used in the organizational setting? What, excuse me, what is span of management and how is it used? What is a flat organizational structure? Okay, versus sort of a hierarchical organizational structure or a tall structure. What is delegation? How is it done? What are work teams and how do they work? What does at-will employment mean? And how do we use job appraisals, and specifically the job appraisal process? Now, that constitutes the big subject areas that you're going to see on the exam. The exam is basically going to be structured exactly like what you've become used to. I am going to tell you that use of the study guide that I provided you earlier, right after exam 2, where I gave you, it's got like the 3 columns. So you've got the concept, the definition, and then over here you've got an example that you drew from each one of them. If you have not been filling that out, shame on you. That will help you immensely. When you study that, I'm going to encourage you to study in both directions. So start at concept, be able to give the definition, and then come up with an example. And then later, I want you to be able to go back and look at your row of examples, okay? And without looking, tell me what the concept was. Because definitely a lot of my exam questions tend to go that way. So I'm hoping that will help you guys out a lot. Also, if you have not scheduled with ProctorU, then please be sure and do so and make sure that process goes, to make sure that process goes as smoothly as possible. We definitely don't want to have a repeat of last time when everything went awry. I'm hoping that Blackboard holds out and everything goes smooth. In the event that it doesn't, don't panic. If we learned anything from last time, you know that I will keep working until we get you guys done. So I know a lot of you are really looking to do well on this one. I wish you all the best. I hope you do just knock it out of the park. It makes my job easier. So get out there, get to studying, and good luck. I hope this one comes off well. Also, please see the announcement that I posted on Blackboard concerning the office hours this week. They're a little bit different than they have been in the past. Specifically, the one that you really got to worry about is tomorrow. So for Tuesday, I'm recording this on a Monday. So for Tuesday, I will be leaving the office at 3:30. Normally, I would stay till 4 in the afternoon. But I'm leaving at 3:30. I've got something I've got to handle, and so that will impact tomorrow a little bit. Virtual office hours for the week will remain unchanged, so I'll still do those. I did them this morning, and I'll do them again on Wednesday morning. Hope that helps you guys along. I will try and be as attentive as possible to emails and whatnot as they come in, and in particular, those surrounding the exam. But the main thing is just follow your normal protocol and you guys should be fine. Make sure your internet connection is reliable and that you are good to go, and hopefully we won't have any issues, okay? And with that note, I will tell you guys good luck, and I'll talk to you very soon. Bye-bye.